Hello, so I'm not going to be on camera because I'm not very well. We're currently in the bedroom, but I've had a package from Amazon, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. This is something I ordered a few days ago before I was ill and got the dreaded lurgy. So hopefully, you know, you can hear me okay because I'm not using a microphone. Right. Oh, it's double packaged. Yay. So here we go, second package. There's a point of that. I don't think one would have been enough. So I'm recording you on the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we'll see how that comes out, and it's being recorded in ProRes, but only directly into the actual into the phone, so it won't be like the highest resolution ever. So there we go. That's what it is. It's a motorcycle dash cam. Now I don't have a motorcycle, but I find these better for a car than the actual car ones, because if I can open it, because the box is a little bit battered, I'll sort of show you. The screen's a little bit smaller than the one that I've got, but that's okay. So basically what I feel makes these a little bit better is the screen can be kept in a separate place to the actual, so you don't have to have the whole thing in one area. So I wonder if that's a magnet. There's nothing I've got in here that's metal that I can test that on, that bit on the back. So basically you get that, which is the main unit. Then you'll get, this is the power supply, hardwire kit, so I mean that's a good thing. And a USB power wire. Okay, fair enough. And then you have the rear camera, which is only a 720, but that's fine. Hopefully this is long enough. The last one that I had was plenty long enough for the car that it was in, and this is a smaller car. And then we have the front camera, and they all plug in with these little bits and pieces there. And we have a, oh, we're not going to be using that, so it's a handlebar mount, so that's not going to get used. But all in all, that's pretty cool. It's a bit smaller than I thought, but that's probably better, because the one that I've got at the moment is a whacking great big screen. So that should do absolutely fine. And I still do wonder if that's a magnet. Let me think what I've got that's magnetic. No, cans aren't magnetic anymore, are they? No, that hinge down there. Or maybe it's not magnetic. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, I'm more than happy with that. I'm not going to put this other bit back in because it's not worth it. Thanks for watching that quick review, and I hope I get better soon so you can see my face again. Not that you want to. Thank you very much.